So I've sent some low voltage landscape lighting to try out at here at our house at our homestead, and it's from Gardenreet, and that's been looking at it, do a little video about it, and came in 2 parts. So I already opened this one and looked at it. We're going to unbox the other one together, but this is the low voltage transformer that comes with it, and I really like this. I've tried these before a few years ago, and had the little time dial where you set when it comes on, when it goes off, yada yada. It never works right. So this one has got a light sensor in it, so when the sun goes down it starts counting. So if you want it to stay on for like 3 hours after sundown, you hit the 3-hour button. It stays on for 3 hours. So that way, especially in the wintertime, now it don't get dark till 8:39, so in the winter it gets dark at 6, so that's not gonna work out. So I like this. So far so good. So let's see what the lights look like. And I have not even hinted at what these look like. That they gave us a choice of sidewalk lights or spotlights, and these are spotlights. So, and you know who made the choice? Wasn't me. And it's raining right now. It's reason I'm on the porch, but I wanted to put these in today. So this is the wire. Let's see how many feet this is. 100 feet of wire. It's low voltage wire. I have to do a little prep work before we really install these permanent. I got to take up some board. So here's the lights. It's one pack. I got 6 of them, and they're all the same. And these are solid brass, LED, waterproof, lifetime warranty, low voltage, and certified safe. So let's see what they look like. So this is the LED light. Here's the base. Oh no, this is the actual light here. That must be a light bulb. And we wanted black. And oh yeah, they're adjustable. Come with a pretty good pigtail. Wow, these things are heavy. This ain't one of them $4.99 deals. This is pretty nice. Let's see what the rest of this here. Oh, and here's the base. So I said we'll drive this down, and then this is threaded. We'll bring the wire through here. So we might have to install the bulb, and I'll read these instructions. And so I'm pretty impressed with them things now. I'm not just saying that. I'm gonna run it temporary, put the lights in, and leave some slack where I can move them, and run the wire, run it into the low voltage thing, and then at night I'm gonna turn it on and look at it and make sure they like it. And by they I mean her, my wife. So that's gonna be our next step. Looks like a pretty simple install, and I'm actually really impressed with these lights. So I like it. It's got O-rings there, so that just goes over it. All right, once we get these all in, or once we start, I'll show you how we do it, and then we'll turn them on at night and see how it looks. And then if we need to move some, we will. Because I think she's wanting to put some out. We've got a pretty good little part here, and I want to take some border up and run the wire underneath the border, and then put the border back. So, all right. So when we get busy and get these going, like I said, it's raining right now, so it's going to be a little while. We're going to start installation, and just a couple pro tips. This has a threaded stand, and this threads into this. Do not use a hammer on that, you'll mess some threads up. So if you use a board, if you have to hammer it in, or a rubber mallet, I think I might be able to just push these in. So and the second thing is, this has a lock nut on it. this little nut, so you can screw this in and you can aim it right, and then you tighten this up and it'll hold it in place. That way you don't have to, you can get it exactly where you want it. So what we're going to do, basically just spot these things for the night. And I'm just pushing that one in by hand. And we're going to temporarily wire these up. We've already got where we're going to do them at. And so I'll run all the wire temporary and just lay it on the ground. And then tonight, we'll film tonight and look at it and see if we like the placement, because I really don't have very much experience with these. I do the wiring, it's not a big deal. It's all low voltage, and I think I'll probably just, it came with some connectors. I might use them, I might use wire nuts, I don't know yet. So I'm gonna get them all placed and temporary wired, and I'll show you that, and then tonight I'll show you how it lights up tonight. And then we'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you how I permanently wire everything. This is the box that come in, and real quick before we put them all down, I want to show you. It comes with some connectors, a bulb, and I'm going to show you how to do the bulb real quick. And of course the housing, and here's one of the stakes. So real quick, this is a waterproof. These housings are waterproof, so you just twist it and pull. And then you see it's got the O-rings to keep it waterproof in there. So the bulb, you see those two little holes right there? And this is a 4K bulb. You can order different brightnesses, I guess. And 4K is not quite as, 5K is, I think, is the brightest. I have to check all that. So you got two prongs. You just kind of line them up in there. And it snaps right in place, just like that. And you just put this back on. It kind of goes at an angle. Turn it, and there you go. It's locked in place. That's all there is to it. Using the connectors that they sent, I'm going to show you how I think they go. They don't have real good instructions, and so I'm kind of guessing. I'm a high voltage electrician, not really a low voltage, but anyway, here we go. So I'm going to split this. So yeah, just pull this out, and I'll have to tape that. And then this end, so I'm going to cut some of this wire off. I think it's too much. That's the way it came from the factory. So, and then I'm going to split this in. Alright, so first thing is you take this, and it has a little, like a little pin on it. So you take the other part, put your wire through it, thread this on there, and it'll penetrate that insulation, and you'll feel it when it pops. Just pop. And it'll go through the insulation and make contact with the wire. So now I'm not guaranteeing how good it's going to be or whatever, but that's the way we're going to do it. Then you take the other end off, it just unscrews. Slide it over your wire. Stick your wire in there, and then that's part of that sharp thing you just seen. So you take that, push it all the way in, take it and start to thread it, and it compresses that against that. So see, I can't pull that out. So let's do the other side.
Someone.
Now the ends, I just use regular wire nuts, like the start. I just wire nutted them together, and I got one out there by itself. I wire nutted it, so makes it a little easier. All right, I'm gonna get the rest of them, and we'll come back tonight and see how it looks.
I'm wondering if you could move that.
So you can see by the video we shot last night, we've made a few adjustments last night. It rained on and off, and we didn't really get everything completely just the way we liked it, so we're going to try again tonight. But that don't have anything to do with the overall, just some minor tweaks we're going to do. So hope you liked the video. You can see how we got it kind of shining on accent lighting on our house. They do make like a sidewalk lighting. They got a variety of different lights. If you go on their website and check it out, Gardenreet.com. And I'd have to say, now I've done several landscaping light projects in my life, and these are probably the highest quality lights I've ever used. I'm really tickled with them. I think they're going to last forever. They're solid. They're made out of brass. They got the O-rings where they seal up and everything. A lot of times, you know, you buy these old ones at the big box stores, and they don't last very long. I have a feeling these are really going to last. So the only thing I really need to do is kind of bury the wire, and you don't have to bury it about a couple inches deep. It's not a big deal. It's low voltage, not a huge, you know, feet deep trench you have to dig. So, but it's really too wet for me to do that. But it's not it's not that exciting. So hope this was a big help. Gardenreet, appreciate them sending us these lights to us try out. I'm real happy with them, and they looked really good last night. So hope you enjoyed the video. Go to their website, check it out. I think they're running a sale on the lights right now, so check it out, and I appreciate you watching.